My child, I am the one who formed your heart, and I know every crack, every scar, every hidden place where you have tucked away pain. I have seen the nights you wept when no one else knew. I have heard the cries you silenced because you feared no one would understand. My child, nothing about you is hidden from me. I know the disappointment when prayers seemed delayed. I know the loneliness that crept in when friends or loved ones walked away. I know the exhaustion of trying to be strong when your strength felt gone. Yet, even in all this, you are not forsaken. You have not been forgotten. You are carried, loved, and remembered by me. Healing begins with my presence. Your healing does not begin with the world's answers, nor with your own efforts. Healing begins with me. When your heart grows weary, it is my presence that refreshes you. Come to me, for I am near. Lay down your burdens, and I will give you rest. Do not run to distractions that cannot satisfy. Do not cling to temporary comforts that leave you emptier than before. Instead, turn your weary soul toward me. In my presence, you will find peace that surpasses understanding. I am the one who quiets the storm inside you. Your weary heart is like a dry land longing for rain, and I, your God, will pour out living water. My spirit is the healing rain that softens the hardened places, revives the broken soil, and brings forth new life. The wounds of the past will not define you. Many of the aches in your heart are wounds from the past. Words spoken over you in anger still echo in your memory. Relationships that ended in pain still cast long shadows. Failures and mistakes still whisper lies of unworthiness. But my child, your past will not define your future. What others tore apart, I can mend. What shame has tried to bury, I will lift and redeem. The labels the world placed on you cannot override the name I call you: chosen, loved, redeemed, and mine. Your weary heart carries scars, but even scars can testify to survival. They are proof that what tried to destroy you could not overcome the strength I placed within you. And I will not allow your story to end in brokenness. Rest is part of healing. I do not ask you to always fight, strive, or push forward without pause. Rest is holy. Rest is my gift to you. When your heart is weary, do not see rest as weakness. See it as surrender to me. Even I, your Creator, rested after creation was complete. Rest allows your wounds to close. Rest gives your spirit the chance to breathe. Rest is not abandoning the journey. It is preparing for the next step. And in your rest, I watch over you. You are safe in my arms, even when you are still. My timing brings healing. I know you long for healing to come quickly, for answers to arrive instantly. But, my child, healing is not always immediate. It is often a process. Just as a seed takes time to sprout, and just as seasons shift slowly, your healing will unfold in my timing. Do not despise the process. Every day, unseen, I am mending the fibers of your heart. Even when you do not feel change, I am working. The pain you feel today will lessen with time, and what once overwhelmed you will become lighter to bear. Trust that I am not delaying to punish you. I am preparing you. Healing is not only about restoring what was lost. It is about making you stronger, wiser, and more resilient for what lies ahead. I will exchange your pain for joy. Do not believe that sorrow is your permanent dwelling place. I will turn your mourning into dancing. I will give you beauty for ashes, joy for sorrow, and praise for heaviness. Your heart may be weary now, but a season of rejoicing is coming. I am not blind to your tears. Every tear you have cried is precious to me. They are not wasted. They are seeds of faith, and I will water them with my goodness. One day you will look back and see that the nights of weeping gave way to mornings of joy. Forgiveness brings healing. Some of the heaviness in your heart lingers because of unforgiveness. You carry bitterness toward those who wronged you, anger at the injustice, or even shame at yourself for past mistakes. My child, I call you to release it. Forgiveness does not excuse the wrong. It frees your heart from the chains of pain. When you forgive, you make space for healing to enter. When you forgive yourself, you allow my grace to flow freely into your soul. I forgave you at the cross, and I ask you now to walk in that same forgiveness. Let go of what weighs you down, for your healing depends on it. I am the great physician. Doctors may treat the body, but I heal the soul. I am the great physician who restores not only what is seen, but what is unseen. I touch the places no one else can reach, the hidden hurts, the silent aches, the silent prayers you never voiced aloud. Do not underestimate my power to heal. I who made the blind see and the lame walk am the same God who will mend your heart. Nothing is too broken for my hands. Even shattered pieces can be remade into something beautiful when they are surrendered to me. Hope is your anchor. In your weariness, hope may feel far away, but do not let go of hope, for it anchors your soul. Hope is not wishful thinking. It is confidence in my promises. And my promises are true, unshaken, and eternal. Hold on to hope, even when your feelings tell you otherwise. Hope will keep your weary heart from sinking. Hope reminds you that this season will pass. Hope whispers that tomorrow can be brighter than today. And I am the God of hope, filling you with joy and peace as you trust in me. Your healing will bless others. When I heal your weary heart, your testimony will become a light for others. Your scars will carry stories of my faithfulness. Your healing will inspire those still hurting to believe again. The very pain you endured will become the platform for your purpose. The comfort you receive from me will equip you to comfort others. Healing is not just for you. It is for every person whose life you will touch through your journey. Do not fear, for I am with you. Fear often feeds your weariness, fear of the unknown, fear of the future, fear of being hurt again. But my child, fear has no place where my perfect love dwells. I am with you, and my presence casts out fear. Do not fear tomorrow, for I hold it in my hands. Do not fear loss, for I am your eternal gain. Do not fear heartbreak, for I will guard your heart. In my love, you are secure. Promise for you today. Hear me clearly. Your weary heart will heal. It will not always feel this heavy. The pain you carry will not always define your days. I will heal you, strengthen you, and lift you up. You will laugh again. You will dream again. You will love again. You will live with joy, unburdened and free, for I am faithful to complete the work I have begun in you. Final word, from my heart to yours. Beloved child, let these words sink deep into your soul. You are not forgotten. You are not broken beyond repair. Your heart, though weary, is safe in my care. Healing is not only possible, it is promised. Come to me each day, even when the weight feels heavy. Rest in me when you feel tired. Trust in my timing when healing feels slow. And hold on to hope, for joy is on the horizon. Your weary heart will heal, and when it does, you will shine with a light brighter than before, carrying within you the testimony of my love, my power, and my faithfulness. I am the Lord, your God. I am with you. I will never leave you. I will restore you. Your weary heart will heal,